Namaste, everyone. Welcome to Nutrition Traditions by me, Viti Kumar. Welcome to today's special episode where we delve into the treasure trove of Indian household herbs that can be used to treat common ailments naturally. These herbs have been trusted for centuries and can help us avoid unnecessary consumption of medicines. So, let's begin our journey into the world of healing with these everyday herbs. Let's begin with turmeric, the golden healer. Our first herb is a true superstar, turmeric. Known for its vibrant color and anti-inflammatory properties, turmeric has been used in Indian households for generations. Turmeric contains a potent compound called curcumin, which is responsible for its healing powers. It can help alleviate joint pain, reduce inflammation, and boost the immune system. Here are a few conditions in which turmeric can be of great help. Mix a teaspoon of turmeric powder in warm milk and drink it before bedtime to soothe a sore throat. Make a paste of turmeric and aloe vera gel to apply on minor cuts and wounds for faster healing. Now, we move on to Tulsi, the queen of herbs. We now have the revered Tulsi, also known as holy basil. Its medicinal properties are nothing short of miraculous. Tulsi is rich in antioxidants and has antibacterial and antiviral properties. It's excellent for respiratory health and overall well-being. Boil a few Tulsi leaves with ginger and black pepper in water. Strain and consume this concoction for relief from cold and cough. Chewing a few Tulsi leaves daily can help reduce stress and promote a sense of calmness. Let us now talk about cumin, the digestive aid. Let's explore the humble cumin, which goes beyond adding flavor to your dishes. Cumin seeds aid digestion by stimulating the production of digestive enzymes. They can also help alleviate bloating and indigestion. Prepare a cumin tea by boiling cumin seeds in water. Sip on this warm concoction to ease an upset stomach. It is a digestive tonic as well. Mix roasted cumin powder with yogurt and a pinch of black salt to enhance digestion. We will now talk about ginger, the universal healer. Ginger, a kitchen essential, is an incredibly versatile herb with an array of health benefits. Ginger has anti-inflammatory properties and is known for its ability to alleviate nausea, aid digestion, and reduce muscle pain. Chew on a small piece of ginger or sip ginger tea to combat nausea and motion sickness. Apply ginger oil topically to soothe sore muscles and reduce inflammation. And there you have it, a glimpse into the magical healing properties of some common Indian household herbs. Incorporating these natural remedies into our lives can help us avoid unnecessary medications and promote a healthier lifestyle. Remember, while these herbs are generally safe, it's essential to consult a healthcare professional before using them, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are on medications. So, let's embrace the wisdom of our ancestors and make these natural remedies a part of our daily lives. Stay tuned for more exciting and informative episodes, and until next time, take care and be well. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel, Nutrition Traditions, fueling a healthy future, rooted in traditions.